Yo, what's going on, y'all? Hey, guess what I done turned into today? I'm chefing it up today, man. We got the rice going. Let me zoom in a little bit. We got the rice going. We got some frijoles in that thing. And then I'm getting ready to do a guac salsa. Yo, don't say nothing, but I'm not really supposed to be grilling on my porch because I stay in some apartments, but ain't no way around it, man. We're gonna have to do it. So hopefully nobody complains or nothing, man. Everybody out here has been pretty cool now since they got to know me, but you never know. So we about to get the grill going outside right now. Look, let me show you guys. Boom! What you doing, boy? Guess up. Oh, let me show you guys something. Yes, sir. That looks sexy. Alright, so today's just gonna be a pretty chill Sunday. We might ride out, man. Earlier I ran into a SS. It sounded like it was Cam. We hit it on this little back street, but we were coming around the curve, so we slowed down. He didn't really want to go on the freeway because he was with his girl, but that thing was running, man. You know me, Mr. Gap himself. So we're gonna chill, eat out. It feels great outside. It's like 70 degrees. Man, we might ride out later, so stay tuned, baby. You already know how we do it on this channel. Alright? Alright, y'all, we're about to go on a beer run. It ain't nothing like doing a carne asada and drinking some beer, you know what I'm saying? Washing it down with some brew, so you already know. Check out the whip, though.
Oh, shit.
Shine bright like a diamond. Like that. Yes, sir. Beamer trying to run it. Beamer ain't trying to run it. Hey, we got a porch. Let's go. We're gonna run up on a porch. Porsche. Oh, I love Let's go get this beer, guys. We hear that fans. Alright, y'all, we got what we came for. We got the package. Package is in. I'm trying to head to the house. Let's get it. Let me show y'all. Tires are real hot right now. Them things sticky, man. Let me show you guys. Whee! Make sure you guys follow me on IG, man. I'm gonna pull it out. All right, y'all, we back in the crib, man. We got the rice ready. We got the frijoles ready. Let me show y'all a little something. Yeah, I got this fat ass stain on this. That's the salsa right there. But hey, ain't nobody messing with me in that guac salsa for real, dog. Watch this shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the little ribs on there. Chorizo. That flame's trying to pick up, but we Gucci. About to throw the cecina on there right quick for y'all. My boy said he got the Gap sauce for me in the coupe. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is day, I don't know what. This is still part of the same vlog, but we are currently about to head to an exhaust shop. So they're gonna be putting in some 4-inch tips. Well, I want to get some 4-inch tips. I'm gonna see how much they charge, and also I need to go to the county clerk's office to see if they got my custom plate ready, because man, this thing's been ongoing for like a month and a half now, or 2 months almost. So there's been some issues and stuff with the my lien holder in the state and all this other crap, but we're about to go do that. So you guys join me for the ride, and let's get it. Oh, before I change the screen, don't mind me, I'm still in my work clothes right now and stuff like that, so we're still looking good though. All right, y'all, we made it. Let me go in here and see what they're talking about. Hopefully I get my damn plate, man. I hope I do. It's been way too long. Hopefully everything all right and I can get my plate and we'll set it out, show you guys how it looks. I mean, it's nothing special because Tennessee has some ugly ass plates. So I just have to get the normal generic ass plate, but you know, with my custom letters on there and stuff like that. So hold on. All right, y'all, so bad news. So I guess if you guys haven't heard or you don't watch the news or whatever, so there was a tornado here last week that really fucked up the whole north and east of the city. So she said that the state kind of been shut down all last week. So I just went in there and they're still not the state is actually not answering the phone. Their phone lines are still not up and running, or whatever the case may be. So you know, the lady, she's pretty nice. She's been helping me. Shouts out to her. And she was just like, you know, let's wait till Friday. I'll give them a call Friday, and I'll call you, and hopefully you can come pick it up by that time. It's just been long, man. It's been a whole, like, almost 2 months of me trying to get that plate, only because they had some documentation that wasn't, you know, that they messed up on and stuff like that. But so right now, we're about to hit this muffler shop right here down the street. I'm gonna see if I can get some 4-inch tips for the V. To fill in the little gap. I just wanted to fill it in so it could look nice. Hopefully they'll let me record. If not, I mean, I don't really know them like that. I went over there a couple days ago. They were like, oh, we'll bring the car down. So I'll try to shoot some video there. If not, I'll let you guys know what's up. We're in the muffler shop. I'm about to get some 4-inch pipe in there. I mean, not pipe. I keep saying pipe. The exhaust, the tips. About to get jacked up. About to fill in those little holes right there. Yes, sir. done, guys. Thanks to my man. I also did notice some leaks in the exhaust, so he went ahead and touched it up, man. Shouts out to him. They're hooking it up. So these pipes were leaking, and it was leaking over here, so he got it touched up and covered it up. Good to go. Let's get it. Y'all go check them out, guys. If you're in Franklin, Nashville, some good quality work, man. He made the tips look good because the last guy fucking did a horrible job, and you can tell the experience, man. Make sure you guys check him out. Alright, y'all, so as you seen, the exhaust was definitely leaking. I just had the guy hit it, and it sounds amazing. Like, I knew I was losing some horsepower, and I could just tell that the exhaust was leaking. We got that taken care of. We got the 4-inch tips on. A lot more stuff coming, so you guys stay tuned. I'm about to hit the road, go home. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright, y'all, we made it back home. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. I don't even really care about the comment. Make sure you smash that like. Run them likes up, man, for real. You guys stay tuned for the next video. I'm about to show you guys how the tips look, and let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's really nothing to really look at, but it looks better than the last one. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video, and please drop that like, comment, subscribe on the channel. See you. Yo, what's up, y'all? Hey, so I know I was gonna end the video, but 2-3 days ago I went to go see if I could get my plate, but it was unfortunate, as you've seen in the video. But we're actually on the way there now, man, because the lady called me. She said, hey, everything got situated, come pick it up, it's ready. So we're on the way there now, and then when we get there, I'll show you guys the plate. I mean, it's nothing special, just, you know, my custom name or whatever I wanted on it. Like I said, the plates out here are pretty ugly, so I just gotta deal with it. But yeah, I was kind of excited to get that, man. It's been a while, so you guys stay tuned. I'm about to show you guys here soon. All right, y'all, so I'm about to show you guys the plate, but we also about to hit up Costco, and then we're about to go to Walmart. I'm about to go at every store and try to get stuff to hibernate with, because they for real about the 2-week quarantine or the 1-month quarantine, whatever that's going on. You got to stock up, so. I'm about to go show you guys the plate right now. Nothing special, like I said, just my name. And about to go in Costco and buy the whole store. You know how we do it. Check it out. Yes, sir. Thing of fish. Look at that back end, bro. Whew.